Dragons should be attacking and try and pick up wickets. Oh, what a start. The first ball on the up through the offside. A sublime cover drive brings up the ball.
Takes the edge, flies over the gully region for 4. Not in control of the shot once again, getting a little bit of extra bounce. Swung away on the onside, straight to the fielder at deep square. Abdul Malik is out. After conceding a boundary, he takes a wicket, Salim.
That's just bad luck for Malik. Only 3 fielders in the leg side and he picks up the...
Powerfully struck, not quite getting the timing. Oh, that was powerfully done and into the gap for 4.
Hashmatullah Shahidi had extra cover. He had absolutely no clue because it whistled past his probably the knee. Gazafar, that was 2-4. Shouting Ashraf, when he hits the ball, it stays hit. Almost clear.
Get it over the fielder and away to the fence for 4.
Pace getting onto the bat. Try and make the most of it. On the up. Hashmatullah Shahidi at mid-off. He gives up. And that's a Spagiza. The first one of the innings.
A powerful stroke. An outstanding stroke from Hassan Shakil. He trusts his ability to clear the boundary, clear the 30-yard circle. It cleared the boundary. Standing tall and smacking it over mid-off. An expansive stroke. Short boundaries. They always...
The ball as soon as goes aerial, just like that. And goes the distance. This occasion, couple of bounces into the boundary. As intentions are pretty clear. And create enough doubt on the batsman's mind.
May not have timed it well, but he has enough wood onto it to take it to the boundary for 4. As he goes down the pitch, attempting a sweep. He has already started to celebrate. Gazanfar has struck. Not a convincing stroke offered from Ashraf. He's gone.
The replay will show you a couple of things. Off the...
And predetermined stroke. He's taking his one end off, and look at the celebration from Mohammad Shahzad.
We have to get some dancing class tips from Mohammad Shahzad for that dance. That was excellent. Keeping the rhythm going, easy as it gets, and he gets the moves out.
دو بال نو تر دې وخت کومه منډه نه ور کړی خو دا غلطه غټ شاټ او بال له بونډره څخه بهار دی وی غټ شپږیز لپاره هیڅ یو فیلډر ته د بال د نیولو چانس نشته یوازې تماشا ده او غټه شپږیزه
او دا ځل کراس اساني ساحل وړاندې هم د هغه له بیټ څخه څو شاټونه موږ ولیدل څو په زړه پورې شاټونه دا ځل وروسته پیچ کړل لوړ ساتلی او سټانس کې د اساني ساحل وګورو او لوړ پاتې شوی هماغه و چې د شاټ هغه ته
وروستی بال ترسره کیږي دغلته بال د بونډرۍ په لور روان دی فیلډر د بال نیولو هڅه کوي او څلور منډې راځي تر وروستیو دغه بال تعقیب کړ غوښتل بال له بونډرۍ څخه راایساره کړي خو
لسم پړاو شپږیزه کرکټ لیګ کې د بند-e-Amir لوبډلې برخه دی ډېر ښه بهترینه کټ دی د اساني ساحل له لورې پاورفول او دلته ښه ننداره ده د نوموړي لورې څه وخت چې هلته بهترینه وه لږه څه ډول مو څه یادونه کوله عمران میر په اپ سایډ کې ډېر پیاوړی
ګلبدین شاټ او بال له بونډرۍ څخه بهار دی یوې غټې شپږیزې لپاره بهار ورګزار کړ ښه راتګ نه دی د ګلبدین څلوریزه وایټ او یوه منډه ورپسې سنګل او ورپسې غټه شپږیزه ازل ډیفاین لیګ ټارګیټ او بال د شپږو منډو لپاره تر وروستیو دغه بال تعقیب کړ
باډي لنګویج په زړه پورې بهترینه دغه شاټ ته یې ځان اوږد بیټینګ لیانه په سره شته دی خو دوی باید دغه پارتنرشپ ته دوام ورکړي ایچ دی او دلته وکټ ننګیال خروټي په راتګ سره وکټ ترلاسه کړه او ګلبدین نایب د خپل ځانګړي سټایل سره کیچ ترلاسه کړ.
بالکل خراتک دی د ننګیال خاروټي له لوري. ښه بال په ښه ځای کې تجربه کاره لوب کړی دی او 2 قدمه وړاندې بال پسې او غټه ګراوند څخه بهر شپږیزه.
او بهترینه عمران میر دا ځل د قدمونو استعمال په زړه پورې او د بیټ وړاندې کول په زړه پورې او د زور په دغه شاټ کې څومره خیره واخیست او باید بل بال راشي.
Rides the bounce and glides it delicately, delightfully, deliciously for 4.
Slower delivery, and the finger has gone up. Gulbadin shows the muscles again. This is a big wicket. The partnership that was just about prospering has also ended, and Imran
چیسي بل دي په کار دا ده چې دوی د خیال وساتي او دلته بیا هم توپ ته مخامخ باونډري څخه د باندې 4 منډي
کړې وي عمران 15 کړې وي پیس کې کمه وکټ کیپر هم نه دیتا وانه دله بای سلوریزا
کوم فکر کړی فصل
اظهار حق نوید آؤٹ سائڈ ایج لگेगी فیلډر ستو سلیم صافه هم نه توانېږي کیچونه میچونه ګټي خو کچته ونیول شي سلوریزا هم شو کیچ هم ډراپ ک
دامونه هنګانو ترمن دازل شاټ بالکل اسمان څخه شپږیزه سلطانی شپږیزه طوفانی شپږیزه
واو شاکر د بیټ د کړس نه معلومېدو چې شپږیزه ده اظهار الحق نوید پر وړاندې شاهد الله کمال د خپل بیټ کمال ښایي
دام ګورو بالکل
ده منځنۍ برخه د لوبې او اسحاق رحیمي یو بیوټي سلور منډې
بالکل لا پرکټ شاټ بهترین په زړه پورې
بیرته راځو لوبې ته ډېر په زړه پورې شاټ زورداره شاټ هیڅ چاته موقع نشته او په لانګ اپ باندې سلوریزا خاور دی دا هم تقریبا 10 منډې پکې راغلي دي او سلوریزا
بالکل دګر ساتونکي یوازې ننداره کوي ځای په ځای باندې ولاړ دي خو د کمال
او خراب بال 15 به خامخا راځي غضنفر ښه پیل نه دی په دوم سپیل کې خپل 22 کړي اسحاق شاټ او نتیجه ستاسې مخکې ده اوږده او لوړه شپږیزه
دا ځل نو اسحاق رحیمي ریپلی ګورو د غضنفر په وړاندې بالکل شی ورته ماته کړه او د مړوند څخه واقعا لکه څرنګه چې مخکې ته مړوند څخه ډېر قوي ده دا ځل سلاک سویپ او توپ ته کیچ آوټ بالکل له دې سره د رحیمي پاڼۍ ته د پای ټکی ږدي نور په لوبغالي کې د پات
This is how Ishaq Rahimi got out. It was a little late on that, we'll say. But he played it well, but straight into the hands of the fielder. Ala Muhammad Ghazanfar was sent for the task to break this partnership. Yeah, to the pads. Not a good delivery to welcome Samila Shinwari. And he says, thank you very much. I will take that. It's in the slot. That's high in the air. But that'll clear the fence. That's a maximum. Bad ball takes the punishment.
Yeah, bad delivery. When the slow ball bounce is working, why not continue with it? Going for the Yorker, you miss the length against a player like Shinwari, who's very strong to the leg side. You pay the price. That was a Yorker which is about a couple of feet short. Take a look at that for a swing. Big broad shoulders, strong forearms coming into play. And it's a Spagiza.
To bring in Izhar. What do you think about this?
Risk taken by Shahidi by bringing a spinner. And the first ball itself, that was a good slog sweep by Kamal. I picked it as it's a googly. But when a batter is batting so well, yeah, confirmation, it was going away from the left-hander. But when you have the momentum going forward, and you have the courage for the last few.
A bit of a niggly ad. Don't give it to him there. It's high in the air. He hasn't been able to middle it. That's a wicket. Good catch. So the ploy has worked.
Risk was taken by Shahidi. And he gets the big one of Shinwari. Just quietly picking up.
Bat. He's got hundreds. And he's placed that right into the hands of Hashmatullah Shahidi, who says thank you very much. 2 wickets in that over has changed things back into the favour of Band-e-Amir Dragons after 1,877 for 7.
And 9 runs, 2 wickets. Just what the doctor.
Only off that over. Again, he's bowled it into the wrong area. He seemed to have forgotten the lesson, and he's punished.
Yeah, Khalil went for the Yorker just because he bowled a dot delivery in the previous delivery of a same line and not the length. He was targeting the length fuller, but he missed out the length, and that's just a short arm jab, checking his drive and all.
Has a swing at that, and that's a maximum. That's a spuggies off the bat of Qais. We are up for a thriller. It's only 9 needed of the last 5 deliveries.
Oh, this is good batting by Qais Ahmed. Probably anticipating a slow ball, batting deep in his crease, and that flat bats it. The field at long off. It was a close one, but that was a good shot. Never easy a slow ball to be playing the flat bat. And Qais Ahmed, we spoke about his abilities to hit big sixes. And from the first ball,
Long off. What is it going to be? Qais Ahmed. He has a swing at that. That's high in the air. That's a maximum. Spuggies off the bat of Qais Ahmed to bring in the victory for the Ammu Sharks, who win it in style of the last ball of their innings.
as they say, never write off a wooden soldier. Qais Ahmed, who's nursing a side strain, he hits it and hits you through long off. That was a flat and a long Spagiza. Salim again probably going for a Yorker, missed the length, and take a look at that for a swing. Beautifully done, nice and flat into the advertising boards, and game done and dusted. Amir Sharks win it by 3 wickets and take above for the Sharks. Well captain, well coach, and in the end they chase it down in style.
You know, he hits the car. Last year he won a car in the lucky draw, and he wins the match for his side, targeting the car over there on the signboards. Qais Ahmed, you beauty. 18.
Spagiza Cricket League 2025 into the 10th year, powered by
And this is what has transpired. 199 for 4 is what Band-e-Amir Dragons were able